Let me ask you one honest question.
Have you ever known the answer? But when someone says, introduce yourself, your English disappears.
Your mouth opens, our mind freezes, and you say something wrong. Myself, Ritesh.
And after that moment, you feel embarrassed the whole day.
If this has happened to you even one time, his podcast is for you.
Today, we will teach you one simple system to introduce yourself anywhere, without fear, without confusion.
Before we start, if you want confident spoken English,
Like this video. Subscribe to KanRit English Podcast. Because we teach real English for real life. Let us understand the real problem.
the problem is not your English.
The problem is fear.
Fear of mistake, fear of people laughing, fear of sounding stupid.
But listen carefully. Everyone starts like this,
Even fluent speakers were beginners once.
so relax. We will go step by step.
Here is the golden rule.
Short introduction means confident introduction.
Long English is not smart English.
Clear English is smart English.
So today we will use short and simple sentences.
This introduction works everywhere. In class, in office, in interview.
Repeat after me. Hi, my name is.
Again. Hi, my name is.
Now add one line, am from.
Example. Hi, my name is Ritesh. I am from Karachi.
That is it. Stop here.
No need to add extra details.
Now imagine an English class.
Teacher says, please introduce yourself.
Use this pattern.
Repeat after me. Hi, my name is. I am a student.
Add your goal. I want to improve my English.
Full example. Hi, my name is Ritesh. I am a student. I want to improve my English.
Simple, honest, confident.
Common mistake. I am improving English. Correct sentence. I want to improve my English. Office introductions feel scary.
But we keep it professional and simple.
Repeat after me. Hello, my name is. I work as.
Example, hello, my name is Ritesh. I work as a technical support engineer. If you are new, say this.
I recently joined this company.
That sounds confident. Interviews are important.
Most students speak too much.
Interviewers want clarity, not stories.
Repeat after me. Good morning. My name is.
Next line, I have experience in.
If you are a fresher. I am a fresh graduate. I am learning new skills.
Please introduce yourself.
Good morning. My name is Ritesh. I am a fresh graduate. I am learning data analysis.
Perfect, clean, professional.
Now, introduction with strangers.
Be friendly, not formal.
Repeat after me.
Hi, I am.
Nice to meet you.
Continue conversation. What do you do? Common mistake. Myself, Ritesh. Correct. My name is Ritesh.
Another mistake. I belong to Karachi. Correct. I am from Karachi.
Another mistake. Speaking too fast. Correct. Speak slow.
Now, confidence practice.
Repeat after me. I can introduce myself.
Again, I can introduce myself.
One more time. I can introduce myself in English.
That is the mindset.
You do not need perfect English.
You need courage.
If this podcast helped you,
Like this video. Subscribe to KanRit English Podcast.
comment below. Where will you introduce yourself next?
Share this with someone who is afraid of English.
See you next time. Keep speaking, keep growing.